How do I get a 3D CAD file? Well, the best way to do that is to hire a mechanical engineer or mechanical designer. Yes, you can probably download a certain free software program, like as I call it, iDraw, but and I'm not sure there might even be an iDraw, but typically those CAD files never work out for us because we do need a 3D CAD file drawing to do a print from. Hiring a mechanical engineer or mechanical designer is not only going to give you a component or a CAD file that you can 3D print from, but ideally is going to give you something that you can manufacture with as well. So when it comes to 3D printing, we can build things that can't be traditionally manufactured. But when it comes to mold making and injection mold making and other traditional methods, that's where the mechanical engineer can be really of benefit to you because there are ways to find cost savings in how they draw it. They're going to make sure that it works for you before you actually go and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on making that component. So a mechanical engineer or designer would be your starting point.